Welcome to our ERP powerhouse. I am Tamara, and today we'll continue supercharging your data hunting skills in Acumatica ERP. Let's dive in. In the previous video, we showed how easy it can be to search for data in Acumatica ERP using the universal search. We conducted a search for a menu item called employees and also observed how the system retrieved help topics and attached files containing our employee search key. So this time, let's pick a scenario for our data search. In this scenario, suppose you need to find out some information about your customer, such as address, the invoice with the largest amount of goods sold in January 2023, the status of particular invoice, the date and number of a document attached to particular sales order. Before conducting this type of search, ensure that the full text search index is built for your Acumatica ERP instance. To do so, navigate to the Rebuild Full Text Entity Index form, select the required entities, and click Process button. To search for the customer's address, type your customer's name in the search box. Go to the Transactions and Profiles tab and click the Customer. Customer's form opens. On the General tab, Account Address section, you can see the customer address. In Acumatica ERP, the forms have their unique identifier, ID. It's a combination of letters and numbers, so you can conduct a search by using a screen ID. In this case, we're going to search for the invoices list using SO3030PL screen ID. Enter the screen ID into the search box. On the Menu Items tab, click Invoices. This opens the form which lists the invoices created in the system. In the Customer column, click any row that contains coffee shop value. By pressing Shift plus F, display the invoices for coffee shop customer only. Then filter the amount values using the column filtering options to see the invoices with the largest amount. Our next case is searching for the particular invoice status. In Acumatica ERP, each record has its own reference number. You can conduct a search by using this reference number. Enter the reference number of the invoice in the search box. Go to the Transactions and Profiles tab. Click the invoice. The invoice form opens. In the header section, you can see the status, which is closed. The last case of our scenario is searching for a file attached to the particular sales order. Suppose you want to quickly find a document that is attached to the customer sales order. Enter the sales order reference number in the search box. Go to the Files tab and click the file reference. This opens the file maintenance form from which you can get the latest version of the file and review the required data. Use the universal search to speed up your data hunting process in Acumatica ERP and keep on learning about Acumatica features with us. Thank you for joining me today. Please take a moment to subscribe and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out on the latest update and valuable insight into Acumatica ERP. Until then, happy exploring and may your business thrive with Acumatica ERP. See ya in the next video.